Hey everyone, are you ready to elevate your cryptocurrency trading experience? Let me introduce you to Bitget, one of the most innovative trading platforms out there. With its cutting-edge features and user-friendly interface, Bitget is designed for both newcomers and experienced traders alike. And here's your chance to maximize your benefits. By using the Bitget Referral code for H6KCons, you can unlock exclusive rewards that will enhance your trading journey. Imagine stepping into a dynamic world where trading cryptocurrencies becomes not just a task, but an exciting adventure. Bitget offers a wide array of digital assets to trade, including popular options like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many altcoins. With its advanced trading tools, you can analyze market trends, execute trades swiftly, and manage your portfolio with ease. Now let's talk about the perks of using the referral code 4H6KGROW. By entering this code during your registration, you'll gain access to special promotions that could include reduced trading fees, bonus funds, or even exclusive trading events. It's like getting a backstage pass to the world of crypto trading. One standout feature of Bitget is its copy trading option. This allows you to follow and replicate the strategies of successful traders. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, this feature enables you to learn from the best while potentially increasing your profits. Imagine being able to mirror the moves of top traders effortlessly. Security is crucial in the crypto space, and Bitget prioritizes it with robust security measures to protect your assets. You can trade confidently, knowing that your investments are safeguarded. Plus, their dedicated customer support team is available around the clock to assist you with any inquiries. In conclusion, if you're eager to dive into cryptocurrency trading or enhance your existing experience, Bitget is the platform for you. Don't forget to use the Bitget referral code 4H6KO when signing up to unlock exclusive benefits that will set you on a path towards success. Get ready for an exhilarating trading journey with Bitget. Happy trading!